Welcome to the 10th video on our lifestyle channel. We're dedicating this video to the women who always look put together. Not a hair out of place, clothes just right. We're sharing secrets on how to crack the code by prioritizing 6 easy steps to hack the low-effort style capsule of always looking put together. Watch until the end to see our top celebrities who we followed devotionally when it comes to style. We're highlighting an individual feature of each of them to inspire you and have you manifesting their qualities. Today, the video isn't just about how to be the most stylish in the room, but how to look more put together with little to no effort. Showing up as your best self is a decision you'll never regret. Without fail, these are the 6 simple steps we're encouraging you to use to feel more put together overnight. Steam your clothes. Powering up your steamer first makes all of the difference when it comes to achieving the look we're all going for. We've found some budget-friendly steamers to check out. This activity takes less than a few minutes. Perfect your 5-minute makeup. Whether you've got a lot of extra time or just 10 minutes to spare, dedicating more time to putting your face on for the day before heading out reaps benefits. You tend to feel more organized and confident. Simply having a light dusting of makeup, a quick skincare regime, or a speedy blowout that perfects the mini routine is a game changer for feeling more put together on the days when the clock is ticking. Create your little strategy by thinking about yourself and what you find yourself prioritizing when it comes to these touches. We'd suggest the following looks for women over 40 when they're running short on time. Three, ditch the leggings. We know that it's not what you want to hear, but it's something that must be said. It's time to ditch your leggings as a woman over 40 when it comes to effortless fashion and everyday looks. If you've ever wondered why we idolized dressing like the French, logically, there's a good chance it's because they aren't wearing their athletic clothes to brunch. Reserve leggings for the gym, and your low-effort look will improve drastically. Wear a cashmere sweater and a pair of relaxed jeans paired with loafers. You'll feel just as comfortable and look considerably more polished. Master the art of accessorizing. We recently explored 6 essential accessories to upgrade a woman's wardrobe, and they're just as important in this video. Master the art of accessorizing, and you'll look incredible. A simple t-shirt and jeans combination looks like $1 million with accessories layered on top. Speaking of layers, learn to layer. Wear your sweater draped over your shoulders more days than not. Call it silly, but the added layer completely transforms the simplest of looks. The same results can be achieved by layering a shirt over a sweater, pairing socks with loafers, or slipping on a last-minute coat. Adding a layer, no matter what kind, creates depth and visual interest in an outfit. If you're headed to work or just popping in for a coffee, Layering your wardrobe extends its usefulness by revitalizing your most worn pieces. Do you have a Pinterest account? Recreate your saved pins. Have some fun with the looks that you created boards about. You already know what looks good, so why keep these exciting possibilities from becoming a reality? Consider saving a few images of creators whose outfits you feel inspired by. You can be your own stylist this way. You might even have most of the garments already. We can't wait to have you feel your best whilst wearing them. Now, as promised, here are our top 3 celebrities, over 50, that we truly love when it comes to effortless beauty and confidence. Number 1, Jennifer Aniston. We love her since Friends. She's aged gracefully, and her biggest secret in preserving her beauty and staying fit is her alkaline diet. Her most confident scene for us is in Just Go With It.
Sure.
Really?
Yeah.
What, you're gonna get undressed? What are you doing?
What?
You got a bathing cap too?
You're the worst.
A 1920s swimming gown on, honey? Don't do it. Don't take it off. I have to be alone. Okay. God, I gotta start taking the stairs more.
Don't buy that line. Take spinning classes like your M&Ms.
Coming in at 2 is Michelle Obama. We love Michelle for her striking silhouettes and bright colors. The former First Lady favors high-waisted trousers and sleeveless tops, cementing her as a style icon in history. And finally, our all-time favorite, Sandra Bullock. She was the world's highest-paid actress in 2010 and 2014, and was named one of Time's 100 most influential people in the world in 2010. We love her in so many movies. We're taking it way back if you remember her role in this movie.
Hey, Mike, give me a pint.
Birthday, huh?
The worst.
Sure you want a whole one?
Oh, yeah, hit me big time, baby.
Hey, Einstein. Listen, if you figure out that citizen letter, let me know, huh?
Yeah. Congratulations on the op. It's a big shot.
Yeah, thanks. So how you doing, huh? You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Oh, you're starting early today, no?
Yeah, I'm gonna get chip-faced. Wanna join me?
Love to, but I got a pressing social engagement. Hey, Beth.
Brownie meeting.
Hey, Mike, give me a beer and,
milk.
Give me milk.
White wine spritzer.
How you doing?
So, are most of the people in here agents?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, here's an agent right here. Gracie Hart, Beth Carter.
Wow.
Right back to you.
Beth is an undergrad at Vassar. She's doing a paper on law enforcement. I'm gonna help her get an inside look.
And I bet she'll do the same for you.
You know, Gracie, I would love to get a woman's point of view.
Oh, no, Beth, you're barking up the wrong tree. Right, Hart?
Do all the women in the bureau have to wear those really masculine shoes?
Oh, no. I get these made special by the same guy that put the tattoo on my ass.
Listen, we're gonna leave you alone with Ben and Jerry. Catch you later, Hart.
Yeah, it was nice meeting you.
You too. Hope you have a good time at the mall.
Short and sweet, but that's what we're going for with this topic. We hope you enjoyed the video and that it encourages you not to overthink the low-effort look, but to prioritize accordingly to always look put together as a woman over 40.